Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if it was not obvious enough, I'm going to be cooking food with you. Well, I'm going to be cooking food. If you want to join, by all means, go right ahead. The link will be down below in the description box with the recipe that I'm using, but I'm not going to talk about it because it is not my recipe. And yeah, so I am making some pasta. So I thought this would be a fun video today because I'm gonna be here at home. You should be. And maybe you're running out of recipe ideas. Maybe you want something full of carbs. I don't know. You know, whatever is floating your boat. I feel like I'm talking way too much with my knife. I find cooking videos very relaxing if the person has the right type of demeanor, and I don't feel relaxed today, so I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I am trying really hard to buy foods that are non-perishables. I don't think you'll be able to see, but all the way at the top, that is my Doomsday Prepper portion of the cabinet. I haven't even told you exactly what I'm making. It's called creamy baked tortellini, is what the person who created this recipe called it. So along with my pasta, I wanted a little side, and green beans sounded really good. So I decided I'm going to make some green beans, hence why I have green beans. And mushrooms sounded really yummy, so I got some mushrooms, and I had one tomato left over from BLTs that I had, so I figured might as well throw that into the mix. Ew, that was mushy. Two things if you did not know: always salt your pasta water, people. That's how you get flavor in there. And put a lid on it. That brings it to boil faster. The recipe calls for, oh my gosh, an entire jar of pasta sauce. So I got Prego lower sodium. You could, and I could, totally make my own pasta sauce. However, I am also lazy. I'm also, like, I know it may not seem like it, but I'm very cranky right now. And I'm trying to get out of it. I'm trying to change my mindset. How do I change my mindset? Don't know. Maybe I will remind myself of all the good things, or some of the good things, that a lot of people don't have. A roof over my head, steady income, still have a job, have food, have a cat that I adore, that I think sometimes loves me. I have friends, I have family. They are all healthy, to my knowledge. I wake up, I was going to say every day, but I can't guarantee that to myself. I know how I will change my mindset. It's because for the month of April, I'm focusing on mental health. You should focus on your mental health every single day of every single month, if that's what you need. However, the month of March was not so hot for me. So I made a list of things for each day of the week to make me smile. I'm going to read that now. These are things for me. You make your own list. Alrighty guys, and we're back. The pasta is almost ready, so it is time to combine the cream cheese and the pasta sauce, which seems very strange, but I'm just following the recipe here. Also, my pan is, my pot is a little bit too small for all that pasta. So it is at the brim. Oh, smell cream cheese, pasta sauce. It just does something to me. Calories don't count today. Or ever. If you're in quarantine, calories should never count. You do you. So we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese on top. As if, you know, I wasn't going to be, but you don't need to know. Generous slices. Oh my gosh. I struggled with that more than I should have. All right, so there's still about 8 minutes left on the pasta, but it is time to then get started on the veggies. So, I'm going to take some butter, because all good recipes start with butter. So look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's a lot of cheese. Oh, I could have put less cheese on it. I'm gonna raise a quitter. Can you see this? Oh, oh my gosh. Ah. Okay. I hate burning myself when I'm eating food. I don't know anybody that enjoys it, but like, I really hate it. Oh my gosh.